Dramatic drone footage of Iceland's latest volcanic eruption shows epic scenes from hell. This is the 12th eruption since seismic activity began in the region in 2021. The island has experienced the latest volcanic eruption in a series of similar events that began in 2021. The volcano is spewing molten lava flows that have accumulated east of a large new fissure. The eruption occurred in the Sundhnúksgígaröð crater, located on the eastern tip of Iceland on the Reykjanes Peninsula. According to the Icelandic Meteorological Office, IMO, the eruption began just before 4 a.m. local time on July 16, 2025, and created an eruptive fissure that now extends further north than previous fissures that appeared since December 2023. Drone footage shows the fissure extending across the crater in a line of bubbling, gushing lava. The sight is breathtaking as layers of gas erupt skyward. The latest estimates put the fissure's length at about 2.4 kilometers, 1.5 miles. Additionally, a smaller fissure has formed west of Fagradalsfjall, another volcano that began erupting in March 2021. This fissure is estimated to be about 500 meters, 1,640 feet long. However, recent data indicates that seismic activity at the site has begun to decrease, with only a few small earthquakes occurring per hour. However, lava flows continued throughout the night, moving east and west. Some people reported seeing so-called witch's hair floating in the air. These are fine, sharp, shiny needles that form during volcanic eruptions, when lava droplets rapidly cool and stretch. Because they are light, these shiny fibers can travel long distances and can cause skin and eye irritation. Currently, forest fires are expected to pose the greatest threat to the local community, but residents have been advised to stay indoors due to the high levels of toxic gases released by the eruption. This is the 12th eruption since seismic activity resumed in 2021. Previously, the Fagradal volcanic area had been dormant for about 815 years. This renewed activity marked the beginning of a new volcanic era that lasted for decades in the region, practically created by the volcano. Iceland is located on the mid-Atlantic ridge in the North Atlantic Ocean, which is a fault line on the ocean floor that runs between the Eurasian and North American tectonic plates.